birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ahmad, why are you singing a birthday song?
Because it's my birthday, Mama.
Oh, wow. Ahmad, did you bake that cake for her? Mama did it. Okay.
And I helped you. Can see, it's not.
Ahmad helped me. He did.
Oh! Was I sleeping when you were doing it? Was this a surprise? Well, you can see it's really yummy. But something's missing. Frosting. How about sprinkles? And decoration. Mama, you love the sprinkles. I want to make it all pink. I want to make it pink is already there. Let's get it. I also want to make it all blue. Huh? All blue. It's already open. I also want to make it all blue. Let's do it. We got this here. Do smooth it.